Good morning, student. Today, Q Basics, I will teach you the new condition. New statement I will teach you. Previous class you have learned the go-to statements. Now today I will show you if-else statement. If-else statement. Okay, my dear. What is that? Means if we say the word of if we are use anything, so basically we give the condition. Means if you do like this, then go the like that. Okay, if you do this one, then you will get like that. Means obviously condition needed. No, so whenever we will use the if, we should give the condition. Clear? So this is the conditions. If the condition is correct, then that is you will get. If his conditions you will not follow, you will not get. This is the things. Okay. So I have given the formula. This is syntax I have written here. If condition, then statement. Okay. Next, else part statement. Then end if. This if is closing here. Okay. Here end if. Now you are thinking, sir, what is the condition? What is the statement? Okay. If I say you, suppose those students have, limit those students. If you have 50 rupees money, if you have 50 rupees money with you, then you will get one nice video games. I am saying, okay, one video games. So what to do? I will ask you how much you have. Okay. Do you have the 50 rupees? Yeah, more than 50 rupees. If you say yes sir I have, then you will get. Okay, you are correct. You will go. If you don't have the 50 rupees, sir how? Next one came, sir I have 20 rupees. So you will not get. Wrong parts. Means this is the correct part. This is this thing. Yes part. And this statement no part. Means wrong. Yes and no. Okay. This is the statement and this is the condition. What condition? What if you have more than 50? Another example I am giving. Suppose I say those students have got more than 50, they are pass, and who got less than 50, they fail. So what I give? I give the conditions. If you get more than 50, then pass. If you less, then fail. So condition I have given above 50, then yes part. So yes part what I did? Correct means pass. If you wrong, no. If you got 30 or 20, so second part it will come. So here no. So my dear, we are not using if else together. Okay, if statement I have given this formula. I am using if else part. One more that if statement, but I am showing to you if else statement. I think you can see if statement this one. So basically if then the students are use if then, but remember this formula I am using if else part. If else. Okay, you can see this one if else I have written on the top. So if condition then. So I am giving one example. Who got the next one? Who got above 50, that pass. Less than 50 fail. Remember the questions? The questions is who got in computer above 50, they pass, and less than 50 fail. So above 50 means like that. Those who got above 50, so pass. Above 50, they got pass. This is the condition. If you got less than 50, if it is condition wrong, then you will not get. I am writing one example. So what to do? Now just follow here. I am writing first of all CLS. Next, input we want. Input. Enter the marks. Okay, I took variable suppose A. Okay, now I am giving the condition. If, what is that? If then condition. If the condition what? If A more than 50, then condition now happen, statement now, what to do? Print pass. If I have written down of if, you will write the else part, no need to condition, print fail. This one end if, and this end part, this end. Okay, so suppose I got 80, enter the marks, I got 80. So A equal to how much? Now A equal to 80. If you got 80, so what to do? Is the variable A is equal to 80 now? Now 80 greater than 50. Suppose A 80, how much? Greater than 50. Then you will go to the this part, print pass, because you have passed. Okay, it will not go this one, it will not come this one. Okay, if this condition is correct, so it will print yes part. Okay, then it will come out. Suppose if some students got 30. Okay, your marks 30. Now A is equal to 30. Now what is the condition? A greater than 50, 30 greater than 50? No, the condition is wrong. So it will not come this part, it will not come, it will go to the else part, second part, it will come the fail. Okay, so this is the statement of and program of if else statement. My dear students, you can see properly, I am showing to you very closer. Okay, if else statement, just write down the write this program properly. Okay, this thing you can very nicely I explain. So my dear student, just I am showing to you, write an arrow. No, don't give the arrow because I have given for explaining. Okay, but this program you write, enter the marks A. Okay, if here A is variable, remember A is variables. Okay, so my dear students, I hope you understood of this program. Next day I will show you another program. Okay, thank you.